The 5 best circular saws of 2024 that smoothly cut through lumber. Plus, we asked 2 experts for advice on how to choose a circular saw for your needs. For home renovation and DIY projects such as building kitchen cabinets or a dog ramp, a circular saw is one of those tools you can't do without. They make it possible to precisely cut through the plywood and get the correct sizes you need to assemble it. I feel that a portable circular saw is the second best tool I own, right behind a cordless impact driver. Also, I think it might last me the rest of my life. Says Dosha Boylan, owner and operator of Handyman Connection of Golden in Colorado. We extensively researched the best circular saws for big and small woodworking projects and evaluated them based on type, power output, power source, and weight. In addition to Boylan, we spoke to Roman Smolevsky, the owner of A+ Construction and Remodeling in Sacramento. Number 1. DeWalt DWE575SB Circular Saw. Best overall. Our top recommendation is the DeWalt DWE575SB Circular Saw. It topped our list of best circular saws because it's powerful, easy to handle, and the number 1 choice of several experts. It features a 7¼ blade that easily cuts through 2-inch wood or siding. It's a favorite tool of Smolevsky's, who prefers to use it due to its lightweight design. It weighs 8 pounds. And electric brake that instantly stops the blade as soon as you press the trigger. Its adjustable cutting depth and clear line of sight promote precision, making it ideal for various projects. He says, this saw features a 57-degree bevel capacity that stops at 45 and 22.5 degrees for more accurate cuts. The higher the bevel angle, the more angled cuts you can make. To ensure your view isn't obscured, there's a blower to clear away the dust while you work. If the blade you're using isn't right for your task, you can easily swap blades. It comes with a convenient tote bag to carry the saw, and a wrench with built-in wrench storage at the back of the saw. Keep in mind that it's corded, so you might find mobility is limited. Some users found that the DeWalt blade wobbled a bit. It might require some trial and error to find the best blade for your needs. Number 2. Craftsman 7¼ Circular Saw. Best for woodworking. Whether you're making kitchen cabinets or a DIY coffee table, this Craftsman circular saw is an excellent option for woodworking. Even though it's a heavy-duty saw with a powerful 5,500 RPM rotations per minute motor, it's still easy to handle. More importantly, it comes at a budget-friendly price, making it the best circular saw for anyone dipping their toes into carpentry for the first time. It features a 7¼ 18-tooth blade, which is powerful enough to cut a 2x piece of wood up to 2 inches thick in one pass. Changing to another blade is easy, thanks to a spindle lock on the unit. You can also make bevel cuts up to 55 degrees and don't need any tools to adjust it. We also like that it has both upper and lower metal guards for extra protection. The saw doesn't come with a bag or a case for any of its accessories. We suggest buying one separately to keep your tools organized. However, a metal hook is at the top so you can hang it up when it's not in use. Overall, the combination of a magnesium bottom and a soft grip makes it easier to handle various woodworking projects. Number 3. SKIL 7¼ 5280/1 Circular Saw. Best for beginners. If it's your first time using a circular saw, Smolevsky recommends trying the SKIL 5280/1. This saw is tailored for beginners because it comes with user-friendly features, including a laser guide and safety guard. He says, the 7¼ saw has a 15-amp motor and a speed of 5,300 RPM. The laser is hands down the coolest feature, and none of the other best circular saws has something similar. It's a red beam that projects onto the surface and helps you cut in a straight line. It also has a spindle lock which makes blade changes simpler, ensuring both efficiency and safety for those just starting in the field. Smolevsky says, the blade is made out of high-carbon steel and can make cross cuts, rip cuts, or bevel cuts up to 51 degrees. Plus, a safety lock on the body ensures that there's no way you can start it by accident. Take note that its size and function mean that the model might be better for hobbyists or first-time homeowners than more experienced carpenters. Number 4. Works Saw WX429L Compact Circular Saw. Best small saw. If the thought of handling a circular saw feels a little daunting, you can always opt for a smaller option, like this mini saw from Works. It features a 4.5-inch blade which is almost half the size of standard circular saws, but not less powerful by any means. For small DIY projects or cutting small strips of wood, this is the best circular saw, to give you an idea of how strong it is. It can slice a 2x4 piece of wood in a single pass. Use it to cut lumber, tile, metal, and plastic up to 2 inches thick. If you need a stronger blade, Works sells other options you can use. Feel free to make the same cuts that you do with other saws. For instance, it cuts beveled angles up to 45 degrees, plus plunge and pocket cuts up to 1 inch thick. It's also fairly easy to store, since it's so compact. Overall, if you lack hand strength to maneuver a full-sized model, or just want to whip it out for a quick project, the circular saw will not disappoint. Just keep in mind that its electric cord is only 6.5 inches long, which is shorter than some other corded models and gives you limited mobility. Number 5. Bosch CS10, 7.25-inch circular saw. Best corded. Whether you're framing wood or slicing through metal roofing, the Bosch CS10 could come in handy. It is a powerful saw with a 15-amp motor and a soft grip handle. It's also designed with a die-cast magnesium footplate at the bottom, which should help it last for many years. The saw is corded, but it has a 10-foot cord that gives you more mobility than you'll find with many other options when it comes to accuracy. The unit is pretty flexible. You can adjust the bevel angles up to 56 degrees and control the depth of your cuts via adjustable levers on the unit. The saw also has a blower at the end to keep cuts visible and clear of dust. The end cap is removable, allowing you to easily access the motor brushes for cleaning. Circular saw comes with its own carrying bag. However, you'll want to note that the included wrench may be difficult to fit in the bag, which is a downside. We love a storage bag that can easily fit all included accessories. At 10 pounds, it's also quite heavy. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below.